Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down the essentials, clean clothes that fit. Pick 2-3 neutral shirts and one blazer that a tailor adjusts. This creates instant refinement. Once done, rotate shoes daily and polish them weekly so leather looks expensive. Make grooming routine non-negotiable. Haircut every 4-6 weeks, tidy facial hair, and apply a subtle cologne, 1 to 2 sprays, so it complements, not overpowers. These steps set the foundation, so every following touch reads as intentional. Next, layer in specific signals that people associate with wealth. Pick one statement accessory, a clean watch or leather belt, and keep other jewelry minimal. Quality should be obvious at a glance. Once that's set, build outfits around a palette of navy, charcoal, white, and tan, and mix textures like wool and cotton for visual depth. Make sure your posture, tempo of speech, and eye contact match the look. Practice a confident walk and measured voice, so your presence reinforces the visual cues. Finish by refining what people notice last, the tiny, consistent details. Keep a slim, organized wallet and remove receipts so pockets sit flat. A tidy silhouette reads expensive. Wear smart outerwear and layer subtly, checking collars and hems before you leave. Once you step into social settings, let small habits, clean nails, moisturized skin, well-pressed fabric, do the talking. If something goes wrong, stay calm. Adjust fit, change lighting or location, and recheck grooming. The key is composed recovery. Confidence protects the look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.